Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So please kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's begin the class. In today's class we will do question number 3 of exercise 2.3 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Now let us see how to do the solution of this question. The question says if the product of two whole numbers is 1, means there will be two whole numbers and the product of these two whole numbers will be 1. We don't know what are these two whole numbers, but the product of these two whole numbers, product means the multiplication of these two whole numbers is 1. So I have given the multiplication sign in between these two unknown numbers. We don't know what are these two numbers. Okay, the product of two whole numbers means in this blank space whole numbers will come and the product of these two whole numbers is 1. Can we say that one or both of these numbers is 1? So let us check. Suppose both of them is 1, then let us see what is the product of these two numbers. So in the blank space I have written 1 multiplied by 1. In the blank space I have written 1. The product of 1 and 1 means the multiplication of 1 and 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay, so both of the numbers will be 1 if the product of these two numbers is 1. Now let us write 1 in this blank space and any other number in this blank space. Any other number may be 120. Okay, we can take any whole number in these two blank spaces. So in the first blank space I have written 1 and in the second blank space we can write any other whole number other than 1. So what will be the product of these two numbers? 1 multiplied by 120 or 120. So what will be the answer? 120, because 1 multiplied to any number gives that same number. Okay. Now blank space, multiplication sign and then again blank space. Here I will write any other whole number. Maybe any number you can write. Suppose 15. Okay, in this blank space I have written 15 and in this blank space I have written 1. So 15 multiplied by 1 gives 15. Okay. So what was the question? The question was if the product of two whole numbers is 1. Here we have got the product of two whole numbers is 1, right? But here the product of these two whole numbers is not 1. It is some number other than 1. So what was filled in this two blank space? One was filled with 1 and the other blank space was filled with some other number, right? Then we got the product as a different number from 1. Here in this example I filled the blank space with other number other than 1 and the second blank space is filled with 1. Then the product of these two numbers is 15, which is not 1. So only the product is 1 when the two numbers are 1. When both of them are 1, then only we got the product as 1. When one number is any other number, then the product is not 1. See, in this also the one number is other than 1. Okay, then the product is not 1. So if we want the product to be 1, then both of the numbers should be 1. So what can we write? Both of, what was the question? Can we say that one or both of them will be 1? So both of them will be 1, then only we can get the product as 1. So what can we write? Both of them will be 1. then only the product of these two numbers will be 1. So understood this? In the next class we will do question number 4 of this same exercise 2.3. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.